we're gonna go ahead and start off with the door. So, as you guys can notice, it's kind of like a hallway. So I come from there. My bathroom's over there. My family's in the background making a bunch of noise, but it's okay. Anyways, moving it forwards, this is what it looks like. Pretty normal room setup. Honestly, just pretty normal room setup. That's my bed. That's what I sleep on. That's my nightstand. That's my storage compartment over there. This right here is a chair, gift from GameStars. Microphone, computer for streaming. That right there is for video editing. And I'm gonna go all in details over there in just a moment. This is a neon light, it says Dream. And it works great. I like it. Whenever I turn on the computer, it turns on because it's connected to that. Anyways, moving on. Let's go into closet. Yeah, that's the deadliest part of the vlog. Alright, so up there I have a check from Mobile Masters Championship thingy. And they let me keep the check. So I was like, yeah, bro. That's my clothes. Shoes over there. Gym bag. This is my GameStar jersey. Everybody's been asking about it, so it's right here. That's my very first jersey. My second jersey, so they gave me an extra one just in case if something happens to that one. So, yeah, that is basically my closet. Pretty dope stuff. And basically shoes over there. Some hats over there. You know, I just leave them up there. Indoor soccer shoes. Outside soccer shoes, cleats, whatever. Gym shoes. These are from GameStars too. So they gave it to me and they were like, hey, GameStars Joker. If only my camera could focus. Yeah, so GameStars Joker. I've tried not wearing them as much because I really like to keep, you know, unique stuff. Anyways, that is the deadliest part of this stream, of this video. I said stream, I don't know why. Anyways, so this is the bed. This is my nightstand. Love this lamp so much. I got it from Home Depot. It comes with an app that you can change lights and stuff like that. Normal stuff. Lonely lamp, just like me, I'm lonely. I got storage stuff, so there's keyboards, chargers, and all that kind of stuff. It's all in there. Knives, pills, coin collection. I just collect a bunch of coins. I just put them in there. Pills, like in focus kind of pills. So if my camera can just focus, there we go. Focus, there we go. So these are Sprint pills. They really help you like focus in everything. Energetic. You feel energetic. You feel motivated and a bunch of stuff. So this kind of helps me out throughout the day. Bunch of knives. Yeah, a bunch of knives. You know, a lot of people don't really care. I've showed you guys this one. It's a butterfly knife. If you guys are interested in buying yourself a butterfly knife, it's on my site. I sharpened it up, actually. If only my camera can actually focus on my hand. So yeah, it looks pretty dope. It's really nice. I really like it. If you guys are interested in picking one up for yourself, they're available on my site if you're interested. Just go jokestagaming.com. It's just out there. There's a bunch of knives that I saw. Anyways, moving on. This is just my hunting stuff. You know, usually I went camping and I needed a knife for camping. So this is what I cut meat with. So I'm going to put that aside. I'm going to close it up after this video. Anyways, charger for my camera, battery for my camera, candy, phone. My mom brought that in for no reasons. That is camera protection case, perfume, camera card. This is nonsense, whatever. Anyways, moving along, we got here is my laptop for browsing, doing most of the work. I do like emails, checking a bunch of like website details and stuff like that. Sometimes late at night I need to check my emails and send out some stuff, and PayPal and all that kind of stuff. Just involves business basically. Then this is my lamp. This is a wireless charger. I need to install it. I need to drill a hole and put it in there. So you can, I gotta work on that. This is just normal stuff. Alright, so this stand let's get right into that really quick. So this is my gaming chair. This is what GameStar sent me, and I'm so happy. This is really expensive, so I'm really like, wow, you know, that's crazy. And yeah, shout out to GameStars for sending this to me. All right, moving on. All right, so over here we have is this huge window. This is the backyard. We just moved recently, so the backyard is kind of not in a good shape, so we're gonna have to start planting grass again, the seeds. And yeah, that's basically it. This is the main road back there. A lot of people drive by, but sometimes cars would make a loud noise with their exhaust systems, but it's okay, we don't really mind. Anyways, moving on to the next topic is the stand over here. This stand holds my microphone, and if you guys are interested in like an iPad case, it's on my site as well, Jokesta Gaming. It's in the description down below. I have a bunch of stands, and they're really useful for like holding your iPad, or whenever you're going to bed and you want to watch a movie, you turn it on and it just stands right there. It's perfect. Anyway, so this is the computer that I use to stream with. It looks perfect. This is the webcam that I use. I'll leave it right there. This is what I use to record my videos. So everybody's been asking me, how do I record? I have bought this for 200 bucks back in the day. It's cheaper now. So yeah, this is the adapter. This wire right here that goes straight into my iPad. So I hear sound like footsteps and all that kind of stuff through this wire. It goes straight from there and it's connected through there. So this wire is connected to my iPad. So everything that goes on my iPad, it goes straight into this wire, into this bad boy. And this bad boy goes straight into my computer, sending all the video detail. Like, hey, this guy is playing this intense game and we're gonna make it really laggy for him, but we want everyone to see the good quality the game is. So yeah, that's connected to my computer. This wire is connected to my computer. So this is connected to my iPad. The sound is connected to my iPad. And so I put my headphones right here. This is HyperX Clouds 2. I put them on here so I can hear the game inside as well. So you guys can hear the gameplay, and also I can hear it. So yeah, that is what my computer can do. It handles all of that. And yeah, that is pretty much over here. This is pretty much the, you know, setup that I use. Moving on over here, we have the headphones, which I did talk about. They're HyperX Clouds 2. They work great. I didn't really have a problem with it. It's just sometimes it's a little lower quality in general. Like I had better headphones, but they usually break. So this one hasn't broken in a long time. So yeah. Anyways, the back thing over there is just a bunch of my wires. I collect them all together and tie them all up in there. Moving on to here is this computer. If you guys are interested in my Spotify, it's Jokesta's Music. It's right there, Jokesta's Music. I have a bunch of cool songs and playlists that I'm working on. And if you're interested and you have a Spotify account, definitely check me out. Anyways, this bad boy does all the thumbnails, all the videos, editing. It helps me out a lot and saves me a lot of time, because I used to do it on this computer and it was really laggy. But this computer, this iMac, helps me out so much. So it just way faster, gets everything done in general. But this computer can handle my streams and that computer can't. But it can handle videos and photos and thumbnails, but that can't. It's just weird. It's weird. It takes forever to render, but this guy does it really quick. And yeah, that is it. And over here, these are the desk. So this is from IKEA. It's a huge desk. That is from IKEA. And yeah, kind of like connected them both. So you can see like this, they were kind of connected. So this is the one side, this is the other side. Yeah, so that is my room tour. I hope you guys did enjoy it. I kind of got tired of explaining my room. This is like my third time making this video, because my first one and the second one messed up. Yeah, anyways, I hope you guys do enjoy. Leave a thumbs up in the comment down below. If you have any questions that you might have, I might have missed or something, just let me know in the comments down below. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.